After independence, the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan, elected in December 1945 in United India, was assigned the task of framing the Constitution of Pakistan. This assembly passed the Objectives Resolution on March 12, 1949, laying down principles which later became substantive part of the Constitution of Pakistan and still serves as its preamble. However, before it could accomplish the task of framing the Constitution, the Assembly was dissolved in October 1954. Thereafter, the Governor-General convened the Second Constituent Assembly in May 1955, which framed and passed the first Constitution of Pakistan on February 29, 1956. That constitution was promulgated on March 23, 1956, which provided for a parliamentary form of government with a unicameral legislature. However, from August 14, 1947 to March 1, 1956, the Government of India Act 1935 was retained as the Constitution of Pakistan. On October 7, 1958, martial law was promulgated and the Constitution abrogated. The military government appointed a Constitution Commission in February 1960, which framed the 1962 Constitution. That Constitution provided for a presidential form of government with a unicameral legislature. The 1962 Constitution was abrogated on March 25, 1969. The civil government, which came to power in December 1971 pursuant to 1970 elections, gave the nation an interim constitution in the year 1972. The 1970 Assembly framed the 1973 Constitution, which was passed on April 12 and promulgated on August 14, 1973. The 1973 Constitution provides for a parliamentary form of government with a bicameral legislature, comprising of the National Assembly and the Senate.